Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Spline Fit, Spline CV, all this in draw command. This is Spline Fit. Click. Specify first point. Enter. You can make a spline. Next one is Spline CV. Click. Enter. What is the basic difference between Spline Fit and Spline CV? The Spline CV can be made with the help of tangent. In Spline Fit there is a no tangent, you can see. When I click Spline Fit there is a no tangent, but when I click Spline CV you can see here is tangent point. This is a basic difference between these two spline. Next one is construction line. First of all I delete this one. In Spline CV, you can see here specify method. Which method you, if I want to Spline Fit, then click F, enter. Escape. But now if I want Spline CV, then method C, enter C. Enter. Next is degree. In Spline Fit there is a degree. In which degree you would want spline? I delete this one. Spline CV degree. Suppose I want a degree of spline is 10. Enter. First point. Next point. Next is object. For that I have to create a first of all polyline. Delete this one. Spline CV object, specify polyline. Select polyline, enter. You can see a polyline is converted into spline with the help of object Spline CV. Next is construction line. Specify first point. Delete all this. Ray. Start point. Suppose 50. Enter. 50. Enter. Multiple points. Multiple points means you can create some multiple points in any line. For that, first of all I delete all this. First I create a simple line. Now I want multiple point on this line. For that I have to select multiple points, then specify a point here. You can see the dimension of this point is very large. I want to change this. For this you have to type dd type. No, ddp type. dd type. Okay. You can select any point. Suppose I want this. You can change the point size. Suppose I want a point size of 10. Then OK. You can see here the size of points will be is decreased. Multiple points completed. Next is divide. I create another line for that. Divide. Select object to divide, then enter the number of segments. In how many segments do you want to divide this line? Suppose I want 10 segments. Enter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This line is divided into 10 segments. Next is measure. For that I have to create a line. Measure. Select object to measure. Just a minute. Select object to measure. Length of segment is, suppose I want 10. Enter. You can see. But if I want 20, control. Measure. Select object. Suppose 20. Enter. In which distance you want a segment, by measure command you can select that. Next is reason. Okay. Another one is here, that is wipeout. Select. First of all I delete all this. Line command. Suppose I want a reason of this. Go to reason. Select object. Enter. One reason is created. You can see here. One loop is extra. When I select this one, you can see all is selected. Why? Because I reason it. Another one. You can see when I select this, only one is selected. But when I reason it, I selected one but whole is selected because reason is created here. I want to also create reason here, so go to reason command, select, then enter. When I select this, all is selected. Why? Reason is created because. Suppose next is I want to reason. Also here, select object, enter. No reason is created. Why? Because it is not a closed loop. For creating a reason, you have to a closed loop, the basic point. Delete all this. Next is wipeout. For that, suppose suppose I want to wipe out all these two arc and circle. For that, wipe out, you can see, you can't see a circle or arc because I wipe out, but I wipe out this, so wipe out, enter. You can see, by using wipeout command I can hide anything. Now I delete this. Next is 3D polyline. For that I have to create a line. Okay, 3D polyline, select, specify start point, you can see here polyline is created. Start point and the end point of this polyline. The polyline is created into 3D polyline. Next is helix. Suppose center point of base is this. Helix. Center point of base is this. You can see helix is created by using helix command. Next is donut. Suppose I want a donut of inside diameter is 6, enter, and the outside diameter is 12, enter. You can see here donut is created. Donut is created. Next is freehand revision curve. For that I will delete all this. Here rectangular, first corner, you can see a rectangular is created, but of revision cloud. You can see here design is created one. Next is here also polygon. Suppose I want start from end. Next freehand. By dragging mouse you can create it. You can create. Enter. Okay, thanks. In next lecture we will discuss H command in detail.